Welcome back. Now, although the tropical wave is in the western portion of the Caribbean, we still continue to see moisture converging over the open waters of the Caribbean. We can see the tropical wave with a broad area of showers and thunderstorms towards the southwestern portion of the Caribbean. Isolated thunderstorms did affect sections of central parishes earlier this afternoon, and we can see scattered activity across Cuba. Now, we are expecting that this lingering trough system presents cloudy conditions, mid to upper level clouds across the eastern portion of the Caribbean, as well as some sections of the area into about Wednesday. Now, the forecast for tonight, we're expecting generally fair skies across most of the island. The temperatures are dropping to 26 degrees Celsius. We have easterly winds on both coasts tonight, averaging about 5 knots. In the morning tomorrow, expect partly cloudy skies across sections of the east, but it's generally fair elsewhere. And then for the afternoon, look for 1 or 2 showers across inland areas, and temperatures reaching 34 degrees Celsius in Kingston, 33 degrees Celsius in Montego Bay. Now, our breakdown has it partly cloudy and windy across the southeast tomorrow in the afternoon. Expect some showers and thunderstorms in the southwest in Black River, also Savannah, Lamar, and Negril. Expect some showers also if you're in Duncans or Cave Valley, but it's partly cloudy across most of the inland areas as well as the northeast in St. Anne's Bay, Ocho Rios, Port Maria, and Port Antonio. Isolated showers continue through Tuesday. Partly cloudy conditions are likely in the afternoons on Wednesday and Thursday. For the marine forecast, easterlies are likely on the north coast tomorrow, wind speeds averaging 50 knots, wave height average 1.5 meters. On the south coast tomorrow, the winds are east-southeasterly at 15 to 20 knots, wave heights between 1.5 and 2 meters. And the smallcraft warning stays in effect for offshore areas for winds reaching 30 knots, wave heights reaching 3 meters. Our outlook has winds at 20 to 25 knots from the east on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. That's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening, but we thank you so much for watching.